Alright, today I got an IONIQ 9 hitch. Here's the box. There's the number if you need it for the part. You scan this for directions. And we're also going to need this tow hitch bumper cover. That also has a scannable. Let's turn that around. There we go. The number, scan that for the directions, and that's going to be this piece here. So we got to take off all this stuff under here to get where we need to get to. Good angle, I guess. And these holes here, we got some 10mm screws. 10mm nuts. There's 10mm there. This one's like a clip. That one's like a clip, so it's 14 if you need to actually do it. Now we got all that off, and then like the actual hitch is going to mount up on top of here. And these holes on both sides. Let's get the hitch opened up. So to get the box opened up here, you can see it. This is a bracket for the one side. The other side is attached to the thing, attached to the hitch itself. It's our box of hardware. I'll show you what's going on. So you can see how it's designed there. It's spaced. So that's actually going to mount up over that ridge there. Probably not this exact spot, but just like that area like that. So I got this one started. I wasn't able to find a good place to hold the camera, so I just put it. No, those bolts are I think they were the 22mm. So they're big ones, but you just start them by hand. You don't need to tighten it yet, because the other side is going to loop and be on top of this ridge for these holes, which will also be 22s. So you're going to want to get maybe a friend to help hold it up while you get them started. You want to get them all started before you start torquing them down. And then these are the bolts, so it's 22 socket for these big ones, and these ones are going to be a 19. So they all come with the washers here, and you see the washers have a little spike or ridge. That's going to be one facing away from this, so it's going to be facing towards the body of the car. And you put it on, and the body of And this is squared because the way it fits is going to fit into to hold it when you put these 3 nuts on there. These are the nuts that are 19. So this is going to go on the other side, the driver's side up to the car. This is going to go from the bracket to the hitch on the passenger side because the bracket's already up there. So I was able to get up there by myself. So I got this one started up here with the top bolts, and I was able to kind of put the other end over the lip to kind of hold it while I get something in here. So these top ones, the bigger 22 millimeters, those are going to be torqued down to about 106 foot-pounds. And these smaller ones here are going to be 90 foot-pounds. Same with the other side. The ones up on the top here will be 106 foot-pounds, and it doesn't have the side ones. So with that cover off, you get the other piece that comes separate. It's going to fit in there like that. It's going to just clip in, and it comes with new clips and everything. So you could just stop there, put everything back together, and just haul your bikes. My next video will be the wiring for it. So if you want to actually tow trailers and everything like that, stay tuned for a wiring video on the 26 IONIQ 9. So I was just looking, and this does get cut. If you look under, you can see this line here going around. That's what is going to get cut out. So whatever you want to use to cut that, alright, cut it out however you want. That's how I cut it. Now look at that. It's just right because it's just the right size. And that little clip here is going to kind of hold it up when we put all the other little screws and clips back in, and we'll be good to go underneath. Okay, then we just push these clips back in, and these clips, when you popped them out, you just separate them. Now you just pull this and you put it in the hole. See, it's in, and then it's locked. So we got those in all the little spots that we took them out, along with the 10 millimeters that we took out. Now we go back up to the plugging everything in.